Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Lamialu, your science teacher. Hope all of you are well in this corona situation. We have been studied chapter 6 named Food for Good Health since last Tuesday. It will be our last class in this chapter. In our previous class, we studied about balanced diet, nutrients, importance of balanced diet, food preservation, ways of food preservation, and importance of food preservation. Today we learn about two new topics. Number one, bad effect of adding artificial color and chemicals in our food. And number two is junk food and its harmful effects. At first, we will watch the video, then we read our textbook, and after completing these first two tasks, we will open our lecture sheet. So, let's start our lecture 3. In lecture 3, our first topic is food containing artificial colors and chemicals. Burger, potato chips, pizza, soft drinks, cake. These types of food contain large amount of artificial color, excessive sugar, salt and fat. Sometimes many dishonest businessmen put harmful chemicals on our fruits item to ripe them quickly and store them. These artificial colors and chemicals are bad for human health. So, the effects of adding artificial color and chemicals on human health are it create different types of health problem, it can cause many disease, and we can also attacked by cancer. We have some disease names which are caused by artificial color and chemicals. Number one, dysfunction of liver. Number two, attention deficit. Number three, dysfunction of kidney. And number four is cancer. And we have some harmful chemicals named which are usually mixed with food. They are artificial color, formalin, and carbide. Our next topic is junk food. What is junk food? Junk food is types of food which contain excessive amount of sugar, salt, and fat. There are some food examples such as burger, pizza, potato chips, soft drinks, etc. As all of us know that junk food is very harmful for our health. So let's see some harmful effects of junk food. Number one, it can causes nutritional deficiency. Number two, it may causes overweight and obesity. Number three, it causes depression. Number four is it can cause memory and learning problems. Number five is it can make a person impatient and create intolerable cravings. So junk food is very harmful for human health. We must avoid junk food. So let's have a look on some causes of avoiding junk food. There are many causes for avoiding junk food. Some of them are it causes disease such as cancer, dysfunction of liver and kidney. It can make a person hyperactive. Junk food can make a person overweight and it can lead him or her to obesity. And number four, it does not contain any kind of nutritional value. So student, this is the end of our today's lecture. In your lecture sheet, you have 4 question answers. I think all of you know about your responsibility. You have to memorize your question answer and write it on your home copy without taking any kind of help from your lecture sheet. In your next class, you will be provided a lecture sheet which contain fill in the blanks and matching exercise. And there is a notice for all students of class 5 that your CHT on this chapter will be held on 16 May 2020. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.